I love finding simple solutions to keep my home organized, and these 19-quart plastic storage boxes are exactly what I needed. You get six storage boxes. They're sturdy, stackable, and just the right size to hold all the little things that tend to clutter up my space. Whether it's seasonal accessories, cosmetics, or household essentials, these bins help keep everything in place until I need it. Plus, the pearl plastic design keeps my items private while still looking stylish anywhere in my home. I actually got these to help organize my closet while I plan to remodel, and they've been a lifesaver. The waterproof and dustproof design means my items stay clean and protected no matter where I store them. I also love that the side handles, they flip down easily when I need to open the lid, and once locked, they keep everything secure so I can safely stack multiple bins without worrying about them shifting or toppling over. These storage boxes are durable, practical, and built to last for years, making them such a great value. If you're looking for a way to declutter your home while keeping your belongings safe and organized, these bins are a must have.